Before we take you inside our newest listing, let's take a look at what makes Oro Valley such a special place to call home. If you love the outdoors, you'll be right at home here. Catalina State Park, scenic hiking trails, and world-class golf courses are all just minutes away from this stunning property. When it's time to grab a bite, you can't go wrong with local favorites like Harvest, The Views Restaurant, and Noble Hops, each offering great food and even better scenery. Oh, and at Noble Hops, you can bring your furry friends out on the patio with you to eat. For a fun day out, the whole family will love live entertainment at Gaslight Music Hall or exploring the expansive Naranja Park. And now, let's talk about the home itself in the beautiful Somerset community. This well-maintained community has a playground for the kids and a basketball court for the whole family. The spacious home features soaring ceilings, an open layout, and a lush backyard. The kitchen showcases granite countertops, extended height neutral cabinets, and opens to the great room, making it perfect for entertaining. Primary bedroom is generous in size with tall windows for natural light to fill its space, including the ensuite bathroom. Also complete with a den and 2 other bedrooms, the interior of this home offers an impressive sense of openness. To the landscape backyard, featuring a mature lemon, grapefruit, and blood orange tree, and a paver area for an outside fire pit that would be great on chilly nights. There isn't much like this available right now, so give us a call or your favorite realtor for your own personal tour.